Boldt HVAC provides expert HVAC service in Burnsville, specializing in repairs, maintenance, and installations for furnaces, boilers, heat pumps, and air conditioning systems to ensure peak efficiency. With a focus on indoor air quality and customer satisfaction, our services include air duct cleaning, humidifiers, and filtration systems, backed by transparent pricing and positive Yelp reviews. Are you looking for HVAC service in Burnsville? You can stop looking, you found Boldt HVAC. How often should I have my HVAC system serviced? Scheduling HVAC maintenance twice a year, heating in the fall and air conditioning in the spring, keeps systems running efficiently. Regular tune-ups prevent breakdowns, improve indoor air quality, and extend the system's lifespan. What size HVAC system is appropriate for my home? Proper sizing depends on square footage, insulation, window placement, and climate conditions to ensure efficiency. Boldt HVAC provides expert assessments to determine the ideal system for optimal heating and cooling performance. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC proudly serves a wide range of locations across Minnesota, including Burnsville, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Eagan, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, and Edina. Where is Boldt HVAC located in Burnsville? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com/Burnsville-HVAC.